Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Janine, aka Mama Cake Face, and today's video is another magnetic liner and lash video. I found some lashes on eBay, you guys, and I'm really excited because they look like the lashes that I want. You know what I mean? If you guys didn't see my last video, I did recently post an Ardell Magnetic liner and lash video. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, I will leave that above. I have to say, I did like those lashes. I just wish that they were fuller and more voluminous. So that led me to go online and start searching to see what I could find. And of course, there are a lot of bigger brands out there that are really pricey. And I didn't want to spend that much money. So I looked on eBay and I found some magnetic liner and lashes. I have a total of 9 lashes. They came in sets of 3 lashes with the applier and the magnetic liquid eyeliner, which the Ardell came with a gel eyeliner in a container, and I really wanted a liquid eyeliner, so I'm really hopeful, but I'm not quite sure. I bought it from a supplier in the United States, but it has some of it has Chinese writing on it, so obviously they got it from China, which I don't really care. I just hope that they work is all. So I spent about $18.99 on 3 sets. It was like buy 2 get the other one free. So under $20, I got 9 different types of lashes with 3 liquid liners and 3 lash appliers. So I think that was like a steal because I spent about $17 on the Ardell for just 1 set of lashes. If you do the math, I made out like bandits. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the styles that I got. I'll leave everything linked down below. So if you're interested in these, or if these even work out, because we don't know if they're gonna work out, then you guys can go ahead and look down in the description box. And also, I just wanna say, if you guys like this video, please give me a like. It's just a free way to help my channel out and help my videos out, and I really appreciate that. I haven't used these yet. I haven't applied them yet. I got some mixed lashes, which this was one of the cases that came. They all look different. None of them came in the same package. So here's another one. So some of these I was looking at look a little long for my eyes. My eyes are kind of small, but I think that I should be able to cut them. So here's the first one, and it shows you the different styles. I got some that were mixed styles. This was like my favorite one. Look how pretty these are, you guys. So this came with the styles 15, 16, and 20. Really like, this was what I was wanting in the Ardell Magnetic Lash and Liner set. I was wanting something like this. These are way more voluminous. They've got a nice curl to them, and they're a lot longer, and I won't feel so scared like curling these. So these are, I think, a little bit more of a natural lash. But can you see how the base is really like long? I'm gonna have to trim those, like especially these. Look how long they are. But yeah, these are like, I guess, more subtle, not as full, but you still get the drama, you know what I mean? I wanted to get a different selection, you know, like a good variety, but these are probably my least favorite out of all of them, just because they don't look like a natural lash, I guess. They're kind of like, there's gaps in between. Like this one's probably the nicest one, but see how they're like flat? I hope that the magnets work. So hopefully this eyeliner works. If it doesn't work, then I can just go ahead and use my gel liner from the Ardell. Which ones are your favorites? Do you like the first set, the second set, or the third set? I'm gonna leave a poll up above. I really like this first set. I would have bought 3 of these, but because I was doing this video, I wanted to get like a good variety. I mean, these look nice. Like, I think I'm gonna go with the ones in the middle. And you see how these don't have like the long bases like the other one did? I don't know, those are weird. That was kind of weird. So I think I'm gonna go with this one right here. It's like perfect, like exactly what I want. But let me show you the magnets. So we got about 5 magnets. They're pretty well spaced out. And this looks like the left lash. Yeah, I just want to like put it on my eye and see if it fits. Ah, I think it does. There's no instructions on any of this stuff, so I'm just gonna do 2 coats and pray for the best. Looks like this. It's a little thick. I'm gonna put a second coat. I think I want it to be tacky just because that's how the Ardell lashes, they needed to be tacky. I'm gonna try to use the lash applicator as well. These are metal. Why are they metal? I feel like they might get stuck. Yeah, they're sticking to the magnets. Like, who thought of this? How is it going to detach from the lash and go onto my eye? I have a plastic one, I'll use that. Oh, so far it's sticking. Wow. Oh my God, you guys. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Is this working? Like, this is legit working right now? Yeah, this is like, these are really sticking. I just want to adjust them because this front part right here is looking a little wonky. I should put mascara on my lashes, but look at that. Wow, I am super impressed, you guys. What? eBay lashes? Like, I probably spent $6 if you do the math, $6 on each set with 3 lashes and eyeliner. Are you kidding me right now? These are super cute. I love these. This is what I was looking for. Ardell, y'all need to take notes. Like, if eBay could do this, like, you guys could totally do this. Like, what? Are you guys seeing this right now? I am like, wow, I'm super impressed because this is what I wanted. This is what I wanted in these magnetic lashes, and I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. Like, what? You guys, look at these. What? Oh my God, these are so cute. Ah! I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm sorry. I'm such a cheeseball. I'm going to go ahead and put the other one on, and then we will do the blow dryer test and see if these will fly off my eyes. Hey guys, so I got both lashes on. I will say that I would recommend, because when you pull the lashes off of the plastic tray, they kind of are a little straight. So I just wrap them around my finger just for like 3 seconds just to get like a curve in them, because your eyes are naturally curved, and that helped out a lot. I am having a little bit of issues with the inner corners, like with any lash. You know how the inner corner be want to pop up and stuff. But you guys, overall, like, look. I really like these. These are really cute. Ooh! These are super cute. Like, these are full. I also did put some mascara. I used the It Cosmetics Superhero mascara just to make it like blend in a little better. You know what I'm saying? I need to get my lower lash line. Yeah, hold on real quick. As long as you get your eyeliner on, I didn't do like a thick line. I didn't do a really thin line. I did like a medium line just so that the magnets had, you know, more real estate to attach to. So what do you guys think? What do you guys think of these eBay magnetic liner and lashes as compared to the Ardell? I'm gonna leave a poll right up here. I want to know y'all's opinion. Do you like these better? I like these better, but we still have to do the wind test. So I'm gonna get my blow dryer, and if these stay on my eyes, you guys, it's a wrap. I'm gonna be buying these from now on, not the Ardells, because look at the difference. You know what I'm saying? But this inner corner right here, though, you messing up my vibe. Okay, it's where it needs to be. I'm just afraid that the inner corners are gonna blow off, you know? Are y'all getting that feeling? Because I am. I'm gonna go ahead and get my blow dry. I'll be right back. Y'all pray for me, because if this doesn't work out, I'm gonna be so crushed. I'm gonna be so mad. Oh my God. Okay, here we go. Are y'all seeing this? They are staying put. What? What? It's just that inner corner. But that's been doing it the whole time. Wow, you guys. Oh my God. I am legit impressed by these eBay lashes. The number 16s, y'all. And if you want more flare, the number 20s, and if you want less, the number 15s. Man, I'm telling y'all my secrets here now. Y'all gonna buy them all up and there's not gonna be any left for me. I'm gonna have to buy them real quick, buy some more before I post this video. I'm sorry. I'm so excited. You guys, like, you don't know how much this means to me. Like, I want the lashes. I don't want to spend hundreds of dollars a year to get individual eyelash extensions, and I don't want to damage my lashes, because my lashes right now, y'all, my lashes have gone through the thing. Y'all know, if you've seen my video of what happened to my lashes and why they fell out and why we're doing this in the first place. And guys, this was so much easier than applying false lashes. I'm not that good with applying the false lashes, like the glue, and sometimes that rips off your eyelashes as well. And you guys, I found this to be really, really easy. Like, you don't even have to be that great with your eyeliner, really. Like, the lashes, if you have a voluminous lash like this, you're not going to see the eyeliner as much. I mean, you want to try to get it as good as you can, but you guys, but look at that. Okay, you guys, I'm super, super impressed with these lashes. I really love these lashes. I wish that I could take them off and just try all these lashes on, but if y'all keep watching my videos, I will keep trying on different lashes so that you guys can see, and I will tell you down in the description box like what number lashes they are, and if you're interested in those particular lashes. So I hope that you guys like this video. I would really appreciate it if you subscribed and liked this video, share with your friends. These are, I'm happy. I'm really, really happy. Like, I'm happy. Okay, I'm gonna go get me a Popeye's chicken sandwich. See y'all in the next video. Bye.